Hello everyone, today I will draw my favorite character. His name is Gnorpy. He is from a game Regrivator. This is one of the popular game on Roblox. My favorite character from this game is Gnorpy. This character is Green Alien Cat. He my favorite. Also it had an old redesign which I really like. Also is character my favorite from this game. I like all his skins and all his ride designs. I love drawing him. I want to make some stickers for the art. I will put them up now. I will add more now. In the last. The picture is ready.